前面係車嘅入口，車就停喺路邊度。呢度嘅停車位都幾多一下㗎，所以停車呢方面你哋就唔需要咁擔心。聽講呢座山有好多戰鬥機㗎喎，你睇下我嘅隊友手上攞住乜嘢，陣間準備玩 Monkeys Ball 啦。同大家 briefing 完就出發啦，過咗條坑渠，順住條路口行入去，跟住就靠住你嘅左手邊行上去。行緊上去嘅時候，會有一排巴黎鐵塔陪住你上頂。我講嘅巴黎唔係嗰個巴黎啊。今日嘅天氣唔錯，幾涼爽。朝早過嚟嘅時候都仲係落緊雨，好彩過到嚟嘅時候停雨啫。你知啦，一心諗住過嚟行山，點撚知落雨要 cancel 喎？咁嘅情況好冇癮噶嘛。由停車嘅位置行到上 peak 都係800個 meter， 20分鐘左右嘅路程就到啦。係啊，你冇聽錯啊，真係1個公里都唔使就到啦。而且辛苦都係呢800個嘅 meter 嘅斜坡，咁佢斜又唔係好斜嘅，對我嚟講係好舒服啦。亦都係有人就係因為呢個斜坡，一開始就俾呢個斜坡搞冧跌到佢自己。話冇咁快，我哋話到咗個頂啦。由呢個頂嘅位置望過去對面，嗰度就喺 Danai Tiga Puteri。Danai Tiga Puteri 之前有做過2集，其實嗰度都幾好行一下噶。有興趣想了解嘅，可以自己搜索一下我嘅視頻。下次你哋嚟到嘅時候，喺呢個打卡影相嘅位置，可以嘗試將隻手舉高啲，跟住你就會 feel 到隻手會有種痹痹地嘅感覺，可能係因為電塔嘅關係。
觀眾嘅要求，所以我哋而家嚟呢度咧嚟打呢個Monkeys Ball。OK， 呢個係我哋嘅嗰個拍嚟嘅。咦，係咪好似好熟面口咧？OK， 祝大家2026年新嘅一年新嘅開始。仲有8個月就過年啦，大家開唔開心啊？Okay.
由呢個頂嘅位置行翻落去少少，喺你嘅左手邊有條路仔，可以俾你哋去另一個位置，就係穿過去柏油路道散步。點解無啦啦會有柏油路嘅？我都唔知道點解，你行就啱噶啦。柏油路呢個位置行到篤，右手邊可以穿翻入去樹林。可能平時呢座山就冇乜人行，雖然係有條路可以行，但係條路線唔係好明顯，而且嗰啲蚊啊多到輕咁。其實我哋去少咗一個地方度打卡，等我俾張相你哋睇下。不過冇相干嘅，最重要嘅係同一班啱嘅人行啫。喺呢度我哋行咗2個路，又再行翻出嚟柏油路口，跟住就可以準備翻落山噶啦。有邊個想 join 我哋一齊行山嘅，千祈唔好怕醜，咁 PM 我。不過我有條件噶，有機心同埋變態嗰啲，你千祈唔好過嚟啊！呢啲咁重口味嘅嘢我哋唔收噶。視頻睇到呢度都已經接近視頻嘅尾聲啦，落山嘅過程我就唔影俾大家睇啦，費撚事嘥晒大家嘅時間。所以眨下眼嘅時間，我哋又行翻出嚟停車嘅位置啦，又係時候帶你去揾靚嘢食。今次我哋去到和記茶餐室，你哋班嘢成日話我唔係豬肉粉就係咖喱麵，今次我好叻仔啊，嗌咗碗板麵嚟試下。板麵齊佢，板麵嘅精髓就係佢嘅湯水同埋辣椒啦。我自己個人口味10分係俾6分，係我自己個人口味啊。好彩佢嘅辣椒夠啦，整杯吞冰嚟試下先。點樣講好呢？睇落去係唔錯嘅，至於唔去到和尚洗冷水，不過你哋自己可以過嚟試下啦。
Running isn't just a workout. It's a vibe, a mindset, a way to move through the world. Suunto Run is made for the way you move. Small, light, so comfy you'll forget it's even there. Track every mile, every turn, every adventure. Choose one of the run-specific features, like track running mode and ghost runner, or one of the various sport modes. You do you. Lost? Nah. Breadcrumb navigation keeps you on track, so go explore. And with battery life that goes the distance, Suunto Run won't quit before you do. Your watch, your style. Mix it up with custom watch faces and accessory straps. Follow your training, progress, and recovery on the watch. And if you need more details, the Suunto app's got you. Sync, track, and share your runs. Connect with partner apps. Join the crew. Flex your progress. Your run, your vibe, your story. Suunto Run.